Hello everyone, this is Abhinav from creationstree.com, and today we're gonna learn how to make a website for free using free hosting and without using code. Okay, so first step is to get a hosting plan which we will get from a website which is creationstree.com. Okay, let's get to registration. Okay, we are on the bytehost.com. Here we can get, okay, it's just 14. Let's Google for it. Uh, okay. Okay, we are here. Let's get to free hosting. Click here to sign up for free hosting. Okay, let's add the domain name, what we want. And let's make a domain for my portfolio.com. And let's type some password. And let's enter our email ID here. Site category, you can select whatever you want. I'm going to choose hobby. Site language, English. And let's enter the captcha here. And click on register. Okay, let's save it. Okay, I should go to my inbox. And let's refresh and see if I get something. Okay, okay, the site we have entered is invalid, so we have to try something else. Okay, let's try my portfolio and this demo. Mm, let's just try a unique name, portfolio 123. Retype the password and let's try to register. The username site entered contains invalid characters. Okay, we have to use something different. Let's just remove .com and let's register it. Okay, we still need password. Okay, an activation email has now been sent to your creationstree@gmail.com. What my ID is. Okay, this is the email I have got here. Okay, I need to click on this link to activate my account. It's setting up cPanel. We have to wait for some time till it's being installed. Okay, once it's done, you get some details, like you get your FTP details. What FTP details is, it's about uh, the username and password and hosting, where you can upload your files if you are making a website through HTML and CSS. But we are not going to do that today. Okay, we can reach our cPanel here, and we can enter our username and password if we have some. Okay, we must have received one more email. Okay, here we get all the details. This is my cPanel's username. Why we need cPanel, I will explain you later on. And this is my password. I'm gonna change that later. And let's click on login. Okay. Okay. I just wanted to check what I'm sharing. Okay. Let's just get to that. Okay. Once we are into cPanel, it's a tutorial we can see, but I don't need that. No, I'm fine. Thanks. Okay. So what our task is now, we need to install WordPress. Whatever we're gonna do later on is in WordPress. So we can find WordPress in the cPanel, and we need to look for quick install. Okay, it should be here. SQL. Okay, try installer. If it's not available, click here. And the first option we see here is WordPress. We need to install WordPress. So now click on install. And once you click on install, you got some settings to do. Choose a protocol. You don't need to change that. You don't need to change the domain name as well. In directory, this is the thing you must change. If it's saying WP, so what your address is going to be, your website slash WP slash जो भी अब आप upload करेंगे, whatever you're gonna upload right now. So you can make it to root, just delete WP and leave all the settings default. Okay, this is your admin username and password. Okay. Okay, let's just, once we have deleted, we need to click on install. So now it's being installed. Need to wait for some time. Okay, so congratulations, the software was installed successfully, and you can reach your WP admin here. What WP admin is, where you can log into your WordPress dashboard and you can make your website or edit your website. Okay, so here is asking for CAPTCHA. We need to enter this into your username, which is Q5UV6, and the password we have is 2 plus 2, which is 4. click on login. Okay, it's being loaded. Okay, as I said, our username is admin and password is password. Click on login, and here we have successfully installed WordPress. And now the next step is, let's look at our blog or website. Okay, this is the default theme we get in WordPress. Okay, we can now change it. Let's get to dashboard back. Okay, once we are here, uh, we need to change the theme, and that we can change in under appearance. Under appearance, you can see themes. Click on themes. We have some default themes here which we can choose and activate, but what we are looking for is something different. We can click on add new, and then we can type Blackbird. This is the theme we are looking for. Okay, let's click on preview. Let's have a look what preview is going to give me. Okay, this is going to look something like that. You just install it. And once you have installed, you need to activate the theme. Click on activate. Okay, once your theme is activated, now let's see the look of our website. Okay, this is the way our website is looking right now. Okay, we have many options to go. Okay, we need to add some pages. We have only 2 pages here, home page and sample page. We need to reach a long way. Okay, let's get to theme options, and we have lots of things here. The first thing we want to change is the logo. We can insert a logo here. Let's see if I have something. Let's check out something. If I have an image, I can use it as a logo. Okay, let's get this image. I'll get it on my desktop and save. Okay, let's upload the image. And it's on my desktop by the name of logo. And just open it. Once it's uploaded, it's available here. And you can click save all changes. And let's refresh the page. And now you can see the logo is now available. Okay, what if we want to change this contact information? That thing will be in under our themes options. We can change it from right here. Okay, we can change it like we can use a dummy contact info. You can type your own contact and details, but for now, for this sample, I'm using a dummy contact. Just copy this and let's paste it here. Let's save all the changes and let's refresh. And you can see all the details are now available here, whatever you have updated. Okay. Okay. Once you are done, you can go to Home Top Features and you can upload an image which will go into Home Top Features images. And the resolution is recommended is 950 by 390. So for now, I'm downloading some images. Let's Google. And let's type web designing. Let's go to an image. And we can go for this one or anything else you like. Maybe this one, or let's save the image. And let's get back to our theme options. And under Home Top Feature Image, upload the image. And select the image. Click on uploading. Once it's uploaded, you can save all changes. And let's refresh the blog. Okay. Let's have a look on pages, all pages. And okay, we need to add more pages into it. So we can click on add new pages. Okay, maybe a page could be services. And we can add text here. Like here will be our services. Click on publish. Once it's done, you can add more pages. You can add a page by the name of portfolio. My portfolio. Click on publish. And one more page that will be about. Click on publish again. And the one last page is contact us. Click on publish. And let's come here and refresh. As you can see, whatever pages I have added are now available here. You can check out service, portfolio, or about, or contact us. As you can see, these are all blank pages, nothing interesting. And I don't want the sample page to be here. And I also want my home page to look different. Okay, let's get to that. First, let's remove that sample page. For that, we need to go to menus under appearance. Okay, and we can click on create menu. Now we will not use a default menu, and the menu will be my menu. Click on save menu. Okay, let's go to manage locations and select a menu, my menu, save changes. Again, let's come to edit menu. Okay, so this is my menu for now. I have all the buttons here, but the arrangement is not perfect. I want contact us to be very down. So you just need to drag it to the down. And if you don't want this page, click on this drop down icon and click on remove. So now our pages are available, and you can change the link to it if you want to. Okay, for now, save menu. And now let's refresh. Okay, so now we have limited pages as we want. Okay, let's add some things. Like I want to add some text to my about us page. We can do it very easily. Let's get some dummy text from a website called Blind Text Generator. You can type how many words you want. For example, I want 200 words, and just if you want 100 words, you can type 100 word views. This is just a dummy text. Okay. Let's get back to our dashboard. Got two pages, all pages. And here you can click on about, and you can directly click on it, or you can click on add it. Once you are on about page, okay, the server is a bit slow. We need to refresh. Okay, now we have about us here. Let's hit enter and paste whatever you have copied. And what if I want this to be bold? You can click on bold, and it will get a bit bolder. And you can click on update, and you can click on view page, And now whatever you have inserted, it's now available here. Okay, once we have our about us page ready, let's get to adding video. If I want to add a video here, you just need to go to YouTube or wherever you want to go on for videos. For example, I want a video from my own page, which is creationstree, the first link. And let's get a video from here. Let's get this. Let's just copy this, and under your about us page, okay, you need to wait for some time to load. Okay, let's refresh it once again. Okay, in the future we will remove this part. I don't want anyone to comment on my post or on my pages. Let's again try to edit our pages. All pages. Click on edit. Okay. Now let's come after this text. I'm hitting an enter, and you just paste the link you have copied, and let's update it and refresh. Okay, it's not accepting your video link here. We need a plugin for that. Add new. Or we can directly do something which is here under share. You can click on embed and copy the code available here. We will not go for the plugin. Let's try this method. If it's not working, then we will go for the plugin. And click on add it again. Let's remove this link here and delete. This time I will go to text. It will give me options to add code directly, and I have pasted this, and let's update. Now let's refresh it once again, and now you can see the video is now available here. And if you want it to be bigger, you can change it, the width. You can change it up to 550, height whatever you want. Click on update again, and let's refresh. So your video is now bigger, and you can watch your video here. Okay. Okay, we have added video to our website. What more we can do? We need a contact form. So let's get a plugin for that we can do easily. Let's get to install plugin, or we can directly go to add new. Under plugin section, we can click on add new. The plugin we are looking for is Big Contact. You can check the details before installing it. You get many plugins for. Okay, so here you get descriptions about it and screenshots, how it works and how it looks. So this is what we are looking for. We can make a contact form just like this one. Okay, so let's click on install now. Yes, okay. It's unpacking the package and it's now installed. You need to activate the plugin. Once it's activated, you can see a new thing here, which is Big Contact. You can click on it. You can get to form options. These are the form options. You will get into it. Settings. And you can type the email address to which you want to receive emails. For now, I'm using the same. And for appointments, I will use the same. General email subject, you can type new contacts. And same for this one. And leave all things same. And click on Save Changes. Okay, let's get to our pages again. And let's get to Contact Us page. Click on Edit. I want to add our big contact here. What we need here is, you can see the box for big contact. Here's the options what you want to add to your contact form. I want to add contact form only, and click on Insert into page. So here it's available. Click on Update, and let's click on View Page. And as you can see, we get a nice contact form here. And if we fill our details here, like and some phone number, how you hear about it, YouTube, and enter a message, hello. Yeah. Click on Send Email, and message is successfully delivered. Let's check our email. If we receive something, okay, I think there is some problem. We need to check out our settings again. Okay, I think it should work. Maybe it's a bit late. Let's try it one more time. Let's refresh the page first, and let's try anything. Rahul, the email Rahul at creationstree.com. phone number something like 98105566889, whatever. Set YouTube. And let's say hello world. Let's just check it again. Okay, but now we are not receiving any email. We must have some problems with settings. Let's try a different email address if we get that. And let's try the same for here. And let's click on Save Changes. And let's check out Pages. And on our contact page, let's update it once again. Let's type any name here. Click on Send Email. That's showing it's delivered. Let's check out. It's working. Okay, we are still not getting it. Maybe some problem out there. Let's try to refresh it again. Contact form and appointment. That's not the phone list. And let's insert into page. Let's update it again. And let's look on the page. Okay, we are still not getting it. Okay, we must have any problem with some plugin. Let's get to dashboard again. Let's get to form options. Okay. Let's type a BCC to a different email. Let's check out one more time. And let's have a look. Okay. Okay, I have many more options to tell you, and this option is not working. I'll figure out and let you know in the comment section. Let's move to the another one. And now I want to add a gallery to my portfolio page. And for that, let's look for a plugin again. Click on add new. And let's find for next and gallery. Okay, we can again click on more details. Have a look. Is it the right one we are looking for? Yes, it is. So we can now install it, of course. It's being unpacked. Okay, it's now unpacked. You can click on activate plugin. Once you are done, you see here something called gallery. Click on this and you can click here on add gallery. Create a new gallery. Add files. We need some files for that. Maybe I have some. That is not, of course, my portfolio. And let me just upload some of my pictures. I'm uploading it. It's on the way. And need to click on start upload. Please enter a gallery name. You need to enter a gallery name. I'll call it a portfolio. Click on start uploading. Now it's being uploaded. It will take some time. Let's find if we could figure out why our contact page is not working. Till the time our images are loading. So let's go to installation. Okay, we have followed the same steps. Let's look. Okay, once it's done, upload complete. We can go to manage gallery. Oh, let's look. Okay, let's refresh. I think we logged out, maybe. Let's try to refresh. Yes, we are logged out. We need to log in again. We are. Okay, let's look into my plugins because I'm not able to see my next gen. It's deactivated by automatically. Need to activate. And let's look into gallery again. I have one gallery. This is here. Gallery name portfolio. And let's get to our pages. Click on edit portfolio. And we must find something here. Okay. We need to go to gallery again. Okay, not tend to add. Need to manage. Let's look. Let's get to resize images. It's 800 by 600, which need to be a little bit down, and uh, we need to add a thumbnails actually. For that, we have gallery settings. Okay, we have many settings here. We can change the effect or the animation, what we are seeing in the gallery. Images. I'm looking for an option. Okay, let's try to get it into pages. More, click on more. Okay, not this one. We must find this here. Okay, as we can see, we are not able to see contact information even. Let's get to visuals. And here we have something for next gen gallery. Actually, we was looking into the text mode that will be available only in visual mode. Click on add next gen gallery. And okay, thumbnails gallery I want. Save. Okay, now it's showing me an error. I want this type of gallery. Of course, I want to display gallery. Images 20. No, I don't want to exclude an image. I want this to be added to my gallery. Save. And let's look at update. And if it's working perfectly, hope it will, I will get a gallery here. So here's the images I have added. And I also have option to slideshow the images. I can click on next image or I can close. I can click on an image which I want to see. Okay, as I said, I don't want this comment section to be here all the time. Okay, what we can do for this, we can go to screen option, discussions, check discussions, and now you will see allow comments and allow trackback. Just uncheck all those and click on update, and let's refresh. Okay, okay, let's look what problem we got here. Oh, I don't know why this WordPress is deactivating my plugin again and again. As you can see, my next gen plugin is again deactivated. Actually, we are using a free hosting, so there is some benefits and there is some loss. So let's get to dashboard again, and let's now refresh. And as you can see, I don't have that comment section here, but I have my gallery images, which I can change, and I can close it. Okay, for now our portfolio is done, our about us page is done, our contact us page is almost done. Okay, again it's not working. Maybe this is the reason why it's not working. It's just deactivating all my plugins again and again. And let's refresh it once again. Okay, now it's available. You can go to all pages, screen option, and let's just get to all pages. I also don't want to see here. Let's just check discussion and remove all those. Click on update, and now you can see there is only contact form, no comment section. Okay, the only thing we want to add now is services. Let's get to that page. Services. We could have many services. Like let's try to figure out some dummy services if we could find. Or any website from where. Or you can type your own services. Or if you don't have services page, you can leave this section. Okay. Dummy services. Let's find if we could have. Okay. Let's get to services page and click on edit. You can add services here. As you can see, you can make a bulleted list for services like logo designing, web designing. Okay, I have write something wrong here. Anything else you do? 3D animation, flash animation, or else whatever you want to add here, you can add. Singing or doing whatever you want to. Okay, just update it. And here you can see all the services. I want this text to be bolder. I can make it bold. And if I want it to be in center, I can make it to center. These are left, right, and center aligned. And let's refresh the page, which is now available. Okay, what more we want? Okay, I also don't want this to be on every page. Let's remove this. We can change this as we want to. Let's just go to appearance, get to widgets. Under primary widgets, you can see many of them. These are all you are seeing here. Recent posts, recent comments, achieves, categories, and meta. All are available here. To remove that, you just need to put it out of your primary widget area. Just put it out. And once you're done, you can go to something called text. Just click and drag it to upside and leave it inside the primary widget area. And as you can see, we have two options here, title and the text. And we can add a title like whatever title you want. Our map. And I want my map to be here for now. I just add text and later on I will change it. Our map will be here. Let's click on up save and let's refresh. And you can now see all those options are not available. The only thing is available is our map and the text we have written here. And let's now insert Google Map into it. Let's get to Google Map, or you can say map.google. Okay. So we have reached Google Maps. And now let's look for a location, whatever is famous. And for now we are looking for let's look for a cafe coffee day RDC. Let's look for a location, and now we got this location here. Now click on the setting button, click on share and embed map. Let's get to embed map and just copy this code from here, and we can choose the size we want: custom size, small size, medium size. For now, let's go for small size. Try it first. Copy the small size code, and let's just remove this. A map will be here, and paste the code you have copied. Click on save, and let's refresh the page. And now you can see Cafe Coffee Day at the right side of your page, or whatever your location or your office address is. You can change it to that. Again, I don't want this comment section to be here. Let's again get to the pages. And on the services page, click Edit. Okay. Just again, uncheck all those options, click on update, and there is no comment options. Okay, I did added some options like services, which is now not available. Maybe it's just because the server. Okay, let's type it again. Graphics, web, nation, and let's click on update. And let's refresh the page. I have all this here. Make it bolder. And we can change the type if we want to by using code. Let's not go for that one. And let's just try a new plugin. Uh, okay, first need to update this page. And let's get to plugin again. Add new. Let's add Jetpack by WordPress. It's being installed. It's being installed, taking time. Need to activate the plugin. Jetpack. Okay, it's again deactivated. Why? I just don't know why it's just again and again getting deactivated. Okay, so now it's available. Let's get to our pages, all pages. Let's edit it again. And what we need to do, I think, we need to change some settings. As we can see, our pages are showing this link rather than showing services or about us. We just need to change some settings. Let's get to journal. Okay. Site name you can change it. Free. Tagline again you can change it. Text, whatever you want to add to. And okay, it's fine. Let's get to permalinks. And now for see, this is showing this way. And I don't want to be this way. What I want it to be simple post name. Whatever your address is, slash your post name. Save changes. And let's now refresh the page. And now you can see services rather than seeing this clumsy text. And I'm looking for some more settings we need here. We can define South language, English, United States. And let's check out our plugins if it's working. As you can see, Jetpack is again deactivated. I don't know why. And it's now not showing in my plugin section. Okay, let's leave that thing. You can try it once you have downloaded. You can try it and you can leave me a comment if you are not getting how to use it. And now let's just change something. For example, I'm seeing a map here. Okay, again, it's just not working, which I did earlier. The widget section, it's again showing a problem. Our map, that code was still copied by me. Click on save, let's refresh. I got this nice map here. What if I don't want this on every page, like I got it on About Us page as well? I can see this on Portfolio. I can even see this on Contact Us page. What if I don't want to see this page on About Us, this sidebar? I can change the sidebar. For that, we need one more plugin to use, and that plugin is called Simple Page Sidebar. Just need to log in, and let's just go to plugins again, install a new plugin, click Simple Page Sidebar. Okay, so we can see this here, install it. Okay, activate it. Now it's working fine. And if I want to add it to my page, which is About Us page, need to go to Edit page, and at the very bottom we can see sidebar, and now it's showing me a message, reading settings screen. Let's just click on that. The one thing you need to select is default sidebar. What the default sidebar is, let's select primary widget area and save changes. And let's again go to pages, all pages, click on edit. And for now, you can enter a new sidebar. Click on enter new and create your About Us sidebar and click on update. Now the sidebar we are using in this page is About Us, and how we can add content for this one. Let's just get to widgets, and okay, I think again it's not working. Let's get the plugin. Okay, it's not in this inactive. Again, it's missed plugin I used. Let's again install it. It's simple page sidebar. Click on OK. Activating plugin. Once it's done, let's get to our pages. Not the pages. For now, we was just working on widgets. Appearance, widgets. It should be here. Okay, let's get to pages again. I think it's removed because the plugin was removed. I'm doing a little bit quicker this time. Save changes. Again, go to pages, add it, create new, about, update, appearance, widgets, and now we can see about. Widget is now available. Let's drag our text option to our about section, and let's add Facebook. Our friends, yeah, whatever you want to write here, friends. And now I'm going to look for Facebook uh, plugin, which we can use as Facebook like box. Let's click on it. So it's gonna look like this one, and you can select whether you want light or dark version of it. I will go for light one. You can define a width if you want to, but now I'm defining 280 a width, and the height could be whatever it is. Click on get code, and I will go for iframe version. Just copy this and again paste it into your text area. Click on save, and now click and refresh. As you can see, we are now able to see friends option here in about us page. Let's look at other pages. There's still the old map version, which is applicable on all the pages, but only on the about us page we can see the friends section. Okay, and I think these are the options which we were about to discuss today. And if you have any more queries, you can leave me a comment or send me an email on creationstree@gmail.com or info@creationstree.com. And thank you for watching.